Hi there, and welcome to this helpful guide. In today's video, we're going to show you how to disable the Autoplay Next Video feature in the Rumble app on your Android phone. If you find Autoplay annoying or distracting, this video will walk you through the simple steps to turn it off easily. First, open the Rumble app on your Android phone. Next, tap on the Account option located at the bottom. Then, click on the Settings icon, which you'll find in the top right corner. After that, scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the Playback section. Finally, under Playback, you'll see an option labeled Autoplay Next Video. Simply toggle this option off to disable autoplay on your device. That's all you need to do to stop videos from autoplaying in the Rumble app. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.